Welcome student in Alchemian channel. We have started the lesson periodic classification of element, and in that lesson we have completed first 2 points, that is Doberanus triad, and point number second, if you remember, point number second we have taken Newland's law of octave. Okay, and today we are going to start point number third, that is Mendeleevs periodic table. So without wasting our time, let us start Mendeleevs periodic table. This is point number third. After Newland, okay, because Newland was the second scientist. After Newland, Dmitry Mendeleev, he was the Russian scientist, tried to classify element. After Newland, Dmitry Mendeleev, he was the Russian scientist, tried to classify element. Dmitry Mendeleev arranged total 63 elements in his periodic table. This is one of the important things related with the Dmitry Mendeleev, that Dmitry Mendeleev, he had arranged 63 elements in his periodic table. Mendeleev arranged element on the basis of increasing order of atomic masses. If we have seen this point number 3, let me tell you, Mendeleev arranged all the 63 element in his periodic table, but he took one base for the classification of 63 element, and the base was atomic mass. According to increasing order of atomic masses of the element, Mendeleev arranged total 63 element. Then Mendeleev arranged element as per the physical and chemical properties of the element. Mendeleev studied the physical properties of elements. Mendeleev studied the chemical properties of element, and on the basis of the study of physical properties of the element and the chemical properties of element, Mendeleev prepared his periodic table. Okay. Mendeleev studied hydrides, oxides of the element, also melting point of the element, boiling point of the element, and densities of the element. So in this point, when he prepared his periodic table, Mendeleev, he had studied related with the hydrides of the element, oxides of the element, melting point of the element, boiling point of the element, density of the element. After studying all these things, he prepared one periodic table. When he prepared his periodic table, he found that element with similar physical and chemical property repeats after definite interval of time. This is very important thing. When he prepared his own periodic table related with the 63 element, he found that element with similar physical and chemical property repeats after definite interval of time. On the basis of this, he prepared one law. What he found out? He found that element with similar physical property and chemical property repeats after definite interval of time. On the basis of this, he prepared one law. That law was properties of element are periodic function of atomic masses. Properties of element are the periodic function of atomic masses. This law is called as law related with Mendeleev's periodic table. Otherwise, Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, he prepared one law. The law statement was properties of element are the periodic function of atomic masses, and this law is given by Mendeleev's. In his periodic table, suppose if we observe, in Mendeleev's periodic table, if we observe some vertical columns are there, okay, vertical columns are there. That vertical columns are called as group. And in case of Mendeleev's periodic table, some horizontal lines are there. Okay, some horizontal lines are there. Okay, that horizontal lines are called as period. So this is the very valuable information regarding with how Mendeleev prepared his periodic table. So today it's a time to stop here. Please subscribe my channel Alchemy N. Tomorrow once again we are going to start with the same Mendeleev's periodic table. But tomorrow's video we are going to find out some advantages of Mendeleev's periodic table and disadvantages of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, thank you.